Welcome back, everyone, to a weekend update. I don't usually do them, but I'm here. So please go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and share on the road to 10K. Let's push for it as quick as possible. It's really appreciated, the continued support over here. Now, I've zoomed out to the 5 day. If you don't have access to the 5 day, use the weekly. It's not too different. Just sometimes you get signals occurring a lot sooner on this time frame. If you remember back here around towards the end of the year, around the November, December time, when we did actually form this, I was saying that this is actually appearing a lot earlier than the weekly time frame is. Not too much later. Here's the 25th of December that it appeared on the weekly, but on the 5 day, it was actually the 12th. So 2 weeks earlier, essentially, this signal had appeared. So I was just able to give you that signal 2 weeks earlier. But we knew that breaking through this resistance anyway would lead to a move up to the 200 EMA. We didn't have to wait for this signal. This is sort of lagged. It's sort of confirming what we already knew. So for new people, it's quite good to use to learn, but we need to try and spot these signals before they actually occur. That's how you're going to make the most of moves. And remember, guys, all the way back down over here when we had these three separate lows, one, two, three, I spotted three divergences for you guys down over here, calling the exact bottom and suggesting that we would retrace all the way back up to this high. And it's all come to fruition. So the video where I made that was around the third bullish divergence over here. This was, of course, back in October time, and we called for this 100% move. This is where we were essentially calling for the bottom. And since then, we have seen a move up of around 180%. Absolutely incredible. We are actually expecting further gains, and we're going to analyze that in today's update. So yeah, make sure if you haven't already to like, subscribe, comment, and share. So what we are anticipating next, as we have broken this high, and what I've been repeating over the past few months, is that once we do break out of this bottoming out range, which is a huge double bottom, we're going to move back up against these highs, with the first one coming in at 9 cent. And so that's why we've been calling for this as a target pretty much since October time. It's just taken this long for it to come true, and some of you may have forgotten. Some people that are not with us anymore in terms of watching the updates might have come across the videos, saw that I was calling for 9 cent, and then waited a day or a week, and then it not happening. They think that I'm absolutely lying, but you can see that over time it's all coming true eventually, many months down the line, because we have to have a long-term outlook with things. And if you do, then stick around on the channel, of course. So if I turn on the drawings now, scale down to the daily time frame, and look at our what's going on with Vechain on the daily, we can see that we're actually meeting our first set of targets out the Fibonacci here since breaking this high. With that, the 1272 must hold a support, as you can see over here, for bullish continuation. It also so happens to be the golden pocket. And just like this one down over here, when you push through this area, you go to that level. And if you can break this, you go to these targets. And you should eventually complete them all. So if we can break through this area and hold it as support, so we have broken it. We met, we had an extremely amazing gain over here on our trade, around 64%, but we had almost 9x leverage, so we got pretty much almost a 600% move here that we closed 75% off in the Discord community. The links are down below, and we do weekly live streams in there as well for some bonus exclusive content on other cryptos you don't see on the channel. So with VeChain over here, as long as we maintain this golden pocket and the 1272, it's around 4.2, actually it's 4.3 cents. So a nice psychological level, and as long as that holds, then we're looking for continuation eventually to the 1 fib level, going ahead and meeting our 9 cent target, but along the way completing this highs technical target, which is around 7.25 cent. So that's it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Hope to see you guys in the Discord community, and follow me over on Twitter. Links down below. Cheers.